Today we're making some breakfast. We're cooking on the Explorer 14. We've got the griddle on the left half. We got a 12-inch skillet on the right. If you've heard of CampChef before, you've probably heard of this stove. This is what we launched 30 years ago. We were one of the first brands to do it. And we haven't changed much on this specific unit over the course of 30 years. It does its job. We're just making some bacon, some hash browns, and some French toast. So while we're doing that, I want to walk you through what makes the Explorer 14 an amazing stove, especially for the price. These are 30,000 BTU burners underneath here. Your typical home range at home is like 7 to 10,000 BTU burners. So this was built for the elements. This was built for the wind. This was built for elevation. You have plenty of heat to handle whatever environment you're cooking in. If you're cooking and you have this yellow flame, it's because your airflow is not right. There's this little lever right here. If it's closed off, you're gonna get really inefficient burn. It's not gonna be as hot as when you have proper airflow getting to it. The reason you'd play with that is if you have a yellow flame or if you're cooking at high elevation, you can adjust how much airflow is getting to that burner. I mean, we're cooking right now on medium low and we're still sizzling, so that shows you how much heat we're getting. Beautiful. This is looking so good. So who is the Explorer for? If you have a big family or you're cooking for large groups or you just like cooking, the Explorer is perfect. And to be honest, even when it's just me and my wife, it's not too much. Like here we have 2 pieces of French toast, some bacon and hash browns. It's the perfect size. And I don't feel like I'm limited at all by the space. The thing that's awesome about the Explorer and the Pro 14 and our other standalone stoves is we have a line of accessories like this griddle here. We have a 1 burner and 2 burner version of it, as well as a pizza oven and a grill box in both 1 burner and 2 burner. So you can essentially cook anything that you would want to cook at camp on this unit. The Explorer is awesome too because it's really lightweight. It's fairly bare bones, but in a good way. Like it is the essential stove. It gets the job done. The legs remove, it's very portable, it's lightweight. We have a carry bag for it as well. I mean, there's not much that can go wrong on this thing. It's not uncommon for us to be driving through campgrounds and seeing Explorer stoves that were purchased 25 years ago. There's not a lot of moving parts. The materials are really quality and they will just work and work and work no matter what you throw at it. We're just about done with breakfast, so we're gonna cut, we're gonna eat. For more information on the Explorer stove, go to campchef.com.